Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the middle splits. So let's get started. So first you're going to lay your legs out like this. Kind of back up before you do it. And make sure you scoot close. So when we go like this, we're going to just put our hands on the ground. And we're going to kind of scoot up a teeny bit. Make sure you stretch your legs out for a little bit. And then when they're stretched out enough, you go a little more up into the middle, kind of into the middle splits. And then after you're done doing the second row of it, you're going to scoot up one more to make it so you're in the full middle splits. And that's how you're going to do it. So, hope you guys like this video. Give a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!